Hi, Liam Ward here at LearnTheHarmonica.com. It's blow bend week and I have exercise 2 for you today, a really cool exercise for practicing some 16th notes at the top end of the harmonica. Don't go anywhere. So you can see the tab on the screen. I'm using a G harmonica because it's a bit less shrill than a C harmonica for these top end notes. And as I said in the intro, this is 16th notes. So with exercise 1 for blow bends in the previous lesson that I released yesterday, I was doing triplets. Da 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 da. This is more 16th notes. Da 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 da. Or at least the first 2 lines are all 16th notes, and then the last line. So we've got da 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 da. And it's a really nice flowing line. Again, we're using the blow bend on hole 8. It's a really useful bend, that one. Tomorrow in exercise 3 we're going to use more bends, but this one is a really crucial one, so I want to do a bit more practice on this one. And we're going to be approaching it from a slightly different way today. So we've got... So we're having to start on the bend just as we did yesterday, but we're also going down to hole 7 after the bend and then back up to the bend. So it's a nice little moving line. The first set of 4 notes, if we're thinking it as sets of 4, is 8 blow bend and then 8 blow and then 9 blow and then 8 blow. Okay, and then we have 9 blow, 8 blow, 8 blow bend, 7 blow. It's very easy to hit that bend flat, and I think I probably did then, and that's one of the reasons I really want to give you this practice exercise, is to work on checking it with a tuner, doing all that boring stuff, but it's so crucial to get in tune. So that's the second set of 4 notes. So if we put those together, okay. Do da dee da 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 ba da. One of the reasons it's easy to hit the bend flat is that you can be tempted to just bottom out the note. I've said similar things about the 4 draw in the past, that you kind of think, oh well, it only goes a semitone or only goes a half step, therefore I just go as far as it'll go, and that's not quite right because it can come out slightly flat. So annoyingly, we can't just be lazy and go bend it as far as it will go and that's going to be the note. You have to actually practice getting it in tune. So they're the first 2 lines. The last set of notes, as I say, it's not all 16th notes. It kind of slows down towards the end. So we've got, so we have 8 blow and then 8 blow bend and then 7 blow twice. So if I put all of those together, we get... Again, you want to practice this really nice and slow before speeding it up, but if you do speed it up, it starts to sound really, really cool. To me, it sounds a little bit major. I mean, it's not kind of as bluesy as some of the stuff that we play in second position and playing down the bottom end. It's more kind of feels like a first position, almost country blues sort of thing, but it's really, really cool. If you want some inspiration on people playing blow bends, listen to some stuff by Jimmy Reed, because he's really known for doing a lot of those top end first position solos. He did other stuff as well, but listen to his stuff like I think Bright Lights Big City is one of them. Someone's going to tell me it's not now. But check out Jimmy Reed because he did a lot of stuff. That's exercise 2 for blow bend week. You're going to really like tomorrow's exercise because we're using bends up to hole 10. It's a really, really nice descending line from hole 10. So do stick around and make sure you see my lesson tomorrow. Before you go, please click like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for free harmonica lessons every single week. I'll see you tomorrow for our final blow bend lesson this week. Until then, enjoy your practice and I'll see you soon. Cheers.